Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. So welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very easy way for you to be able to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Moonpay app or go to the website and make sure you log in into your account and tap buy and sell or the portfolio option to view your crypto balance. Then select your crypto you want to transfer, for example BTC, Ethereum or USDT. Then tap the send or withdrawal. Open the Trust Wallet, then tap the crypto and tap the received. So make sure you tap the crypto, then tap the receive button. Copy the wallet address shown in Trust Wallet, then go back to your Moonpay and paste that address into your withdrawal field. Then make sure the network matches. So make sure you have the two network you are going to pick from Trust Wallet and the one you are going to pick on Moonpay matches each other. For example, if you pick TRC20 from Trust Wallet, you have to use the same network on the Moonpay, and if you use TRC20 on Moonpay, you have to make sure you choose TRC20 on Trust Wallet. And same thing is applicable for BIP20. Then enter the amount to transfer and to confirm. So tap the confirm button, then review the details and tap confirm to send. Then wait for blockchain confirmation and your crypto will appear in your Trust Wallet as soon as the confirmation is ready. And that's how you can easily transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet easily. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.